Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you how to remove dark spots, black spots, pigmentation, and get spotless milky skin, fair skin from first use. You will notice a great result and you will be amazed with the result. It is super effective and super helpful. With very simple ingredients at home, you will remove any kind of hyperpigmentation you do have, any kind of dark spots, black spots, and get fair, spotless, milky skin from first use. Get even toned skin naturally. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy, you will be notified to watch it and you will get so many useful tips from me. So subscribe my channel. So the first thing we need in a clean mixing bowl, we need around 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, and I prefer to use white toothpaste, so I'm using Colgate toothpaste for that remedy. Add 1 teaspoon of Colgate toothpaste. Then we need Vaseline, and we need to add half teaspoon of Vaseline or half quantity of Vaseline. Then we need to add magical ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and add just 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon is high in vitamin C and whitening the skin naturally and bleach the skin without any side effects with all natural ingredients. Now my friends, mix well the ingredients like so. You need to make sure that you have mixed the ingredients very well before applying it. Now we end up with this whitish cream paste. Our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your face and apply it on your hands, on feet, on any place that you want to bleach your skin naturally, whitening the skin tone naturally, my friends. Apply it like so. Apply generous amount like that. It's a cream paste. And don't worry if you do have sensitive skin, Vaseline moisturizes the skin super well and will get you an amazing results if you follow the steps and you made the same remedy. It will be amazing for you, my friends. You will notice a great result. Leave it to dry out completely and then rinse it with lukewarm water followed by cold water to close the pores. And my friends, repeat this every time you want to whitening your skin tone permanently. You will get an amazing results with this remedy.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.